Hey there! Let's talk about reinventing your life. You know, the one where you're in control, living by your own rules, and thriving on your own terms. But how do you get there? Through the transformative power of intention setting. And no, it's not just about wishful thinking. It's about taking the driver's seat in your life journey, steering your path with clear intentions. So, imagine an online space where you're surrounded by like-minded individuals, all hungry for progress. A space where you unlock the secret of setting powerful intentions, master the art of manifesting, and gradually reinvent your life. Let's dive into structured workshops, rich learning resources, and a supportive community waiting to cheer for your breakthroughs. A space where lifelong learning isn't just a term, it's a lifestyle. Sounds intriguing? That's what we do in our online intention setting workshops. It's not about overnight wonders, it's about steady progress, small steps turning into giant leaps, and creating that extraordinary life you've always dreamt of. Remember, your life doesn't get better by chance, it gets better by change. So why wait? Start your journey of reinvention today.